Imagine being stuck in a room where there's a fire outbreak or a medical emergency and you are not able to communicate with the staff. Here comes our solution, Crisis Command Bridge. Traditional systems lack immediate response and guests often feel helpless due to not able to find out whether the help is reaching them out or not. So our vision is to introduce a cloud-native crisis management framework which will help the distressed guests and the staff to communicate together. So the tech stack used behind this is Google's Flutter, which is used to build interactive web pages, and we have also used Google's Firebase and Firestone for the backend, which helps us monitor the real-time data about when the input is used by the input is put by the guests, and staff can communicate with it. So let's begin with the demo. This is our website, and Himalayan Crest is the name of an hotel we have took for the example. So this is the admin panel, and here we will like staff will log in. So once we open the admin panel, it will look something like this. And consider a guest in an emergency situation. We have three scenarios, like if the guest is in restaurant and the emergency is in restaurant, we'll scan the restaurant QR code. It will redirect us to the website, and it will automatically fetch the location. Like you can see restaurant, and this is the page. This is restaurant, and this is the map. The map shows us all the locations, like where is the fire extinguisher available or the medical help, and the emergency exits that are available on the floor. So once the guest will press on fire, it will automatically pop up at the guest at the staff panel, and from here staff can send the ETA. Like if we give 12 minutes of ETA and send, it will automatically refresh on the guest panel, and they will be able to monitor in how much time the staff will come to them. We have like if we consider another example, if we consider swimming pool for example. Once we log in, it will open a different map. This map is for the outside view, and here is the swimming pool. This map also has the fire extinguisher and all. If we press like medical issue, it will automatically pop up, and here we have location as well, like this issue is for swimming pool. And if we acknowledge and say, let's say 1 minute and send, it will automatically show up here that the staff will be available to you in a minute for rescue. So this is the live demo of the website and how it works. Thank you. Our demo, our USP is zero latency trajectory visualization. This ensures that the guests are able to clearly see where the support staff is, and this will really help during crisis situation, as it will reduce the panic among the guests. Our future growth or future implementation, we can have IoT based sensors which will help a lot when we integrate it with our app. We can also have Gemini based multilingual support which will help guests from different regions to interact with and help in safety assistance. So we can add this crisis management thing to hospitals as well as offices and campuses, college campuses. We are Team Swift Shaders, and we are here building resilient and a better crisis management facility for the future.